Okay, Beckett is opening his gift to Berkeley. Can you give that to Berkeley? Beckett, hand it to her. Don't throw it on the floor, please. Yeah, he did.
Yeah, those are like such a cool old-fashioned present.
Wow.
Yeah, you put them together.
I'm going to wait to see this one.
Chew on them, and you can make them all these strings you can hang everywhere.
Yeah, all right.
Okay.
This is from...
Berkeley, how was your day at school, Berkeley? Good?
Yeah.
Did they put have a little party at the daycare?
They did, they sang happy birthday to her.
Wait, that is like so cute that they did that. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
So Berkeley, eBay?
And then after dinner we're gonna have dessert.
Does Berkeley have a piggy bank?
Berkeley does have a piggy bank.
Yeah, Berkeley put that in. That's a lot of money.
Oh wow.
And your book, I know.
Okay, thanks Beckett. Today.
Okay.
Okay, can you turn the vacuum off? Let's practice. What are we gonna sing to her in a second when Grandpa's ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear Berkeley. Happy birthday, dear her.
to her.
The music.
Okay, Beckett. All right, Grandpa, are you ready?
Yeah. Mom, I just need to put this where Berkeley is.
I know. Okay, hang on.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Berkeley. Happy birthday to you. Becca, can you help load out?
Very good.
Nice job. All right. What do we say?
Many more.
And many more.
Why do we hear the machine running?
That means
No. All right. Go, Berkeley.
cut it.
Oh.